Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the Snapchat app is updated, you're logged in, and you can receive codes on the linked phone number or Authenticator app. Now tap your profile, then the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to two-factor authentication and select it. You're doing this now because Snapchat requires an active session to change 2FA. Once there, choose Manage Two-Factor Authentication to begin the disable flow and follow prompts on screen. You'll need to prove it's you. Enter the SMS code or the 6-digit authenticator code when prompted. If you used an authenticator app, open that app and remove the Snapchat entry after confirming the disable action. This prevents future accidental requests. Snapchat may ask for your account password again. Provide it to finalize changes. Make sure to read any warning about reduced security. Once disabled, the app confirms the change. Check that two-factor authentication now shows as off. Finish by signing out and signing back in to ensure the setting applied. Remove any leftover backup codes or trusted devices from settings to avoid confusion later. If Snapchat still prompts for codes, clear app cache or reinstall and try again. If you can't receive codes because you lost your phone or authenticator, use Snapchat's account recovery flow. Select Can't Access My Phone or Authenticator and follow the verification steps. Support may require ID verification, which is slower but necessary to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.